Let us see how we can uh, do array-based computing like NumPy, like computing in our Rust language. For this, we have to first install the dependency NT array, like what we have done here. After that, we can examine this code. Now we first create one array from this shape 1 2 3 4 5. We will shape it in 2 by 3 matrix. Another one similarly 2 by 3 matrix with these elements. Now we do an array operation, an array addition, and assign the result to result, and then we print those arrays and the result. When we try to compile this one, we will get these arrays. So the ownership related arrays in Rust. The first one here that borrow of moved value array 1 E0382, that is the Rust error code. The compiler says that move occurs here because array 1 has a type array based on wrapper I32 and dim use size 2, which does not implement the copy trait. So when we try to do the line number 9 result equal to array 1 plus array 2, compiler advises to use clone method if the performance cost is acceptable, and compiler says that it cannot allow this statement because array 1 after this operation array 1 is moved in this operation. So how this actually internally works is that array 1 has the ownership of this one. Then so here it says that calling this operator move the ownership to the left hand side. So while this is a addition operator, but it does not work like the primitive type like integer or float. This in turn is a complex data structure. So here, as a result of this operator, the ownership is moved to result. It is just like calling a function call. Similarly, it tells us that array 2 cannot be used here in the line number 9 because so I think this all happens because we are trying to print these values. Suppose we do not print these values, what happens? These print these values, then it should succeed. It gives us an error that the NT array is unresolved. I'm not sure whether that is the error or the previous one. Let me try again. Yeah, it is. It gives us the report again. I think I will run this dependency thing again and see whether the unresolved import error goes away. Now let me try again whether this error occurs. Okay, I think that error has gone away. But the moment we try to use this value here, it gives us an ownership error. So what happens is once you move the used it in this operation, the compiler no longer allow us to use this value here, because as per the compiler we are trying to borrow a value which is moved in this result operation, I mean addition operation. So there are other ways to prevent this. Is we can use immutable borrow like this, or use references. This code, even if we use it here as references, this code will not give us an error. Let us see if we use it here like this, and then so even if we are immutable borrow here, it's not allowing us to use it here. So the way to use it is it not pass the ownership completely, but use immutable borrowing by means of references. Now the code is work. Let me know in the comments if this is the correct way of doing this thing, or am I understanding it correctly. Thank you.